Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the first lecture video of Proteus. In this playlist we are going to talk about the Proteus, how to work with Proteus, the advantages and disadvantages, how to run circuits, simulate circuits, and obviously how to design PCBs in Proteus. So throughout this tutorial series we are going to use the Proteus design suite version 8.5. So before discussing the Proteus ins and out, I will be taking help from my blog Proteus and Introduction from my site. I will give the link in the description box. You can always check my blog site and read the blog here. So there are basically three main schemes that Proteus offers us. One is the schematic capture, or you can say it as schematic capture. Sorry for my pronunciation, guys. So the schematic capture allows you to draw the circuits in Proteus interface. So it's more or less like the notepad or any other text editor that you use in your daily life. It allows to draw you the circuit using different components and libraries in Proteus interface. Second one is the real-time simulation. So after drawing the or creating the circuit, you need to simulate it. So this real-time simulation offers the real-time allows you to simulate your circuit and create the results and graphs in real time. And the third one is the PCB design, and as I said earlier, we have dedicated software for PCB designing. Proteus is not suitable for professional PCB designing, but it can be a great tool for the beginners to start with PCB. So we have learned the three major schemes of Proteus, but to run these three schemes we need some technologies, right? Proteus uses some technologies or protocols to run these schemes. So we need so the first one is the ISIS. It is the software package that allows the Proteus to draw the schematic capture of the circuit drawings and the real-time simulation. So this ISIS is related to the circuit designing and the simulation, the results, the graph part. So as you can see, this is a demo video, a demo circuit of I think it's a 555 timer IC. And okay, so this is a demo circuit. This is drawn using the schematic capture, and it will be simulated using the real-time simulation, and these two packages are controlled by the ISIS. The second one is the ARES, that is used to design the PCB package and the related tools. So you can see schematic is drawn in ISIS and that is transferred directly to ARES. So when you will be go to the Proteus, maybe I can show you. This is the PCB layout. This is the schematic capture. As you can see, this is the schematic capture. This is the 3D visualizer for the PCB design. And okay, in the earlier version we had the ARES directly. Okay, I can show you. This is the earlier version of Proteus. It will take some time to initiate. So this is the Proteus 7.7, and let us wait for some times. Okay, this is the older version of Proteus. Here you can see this is the schematic capture, or this is the interface where you will be drawing your circuits, and we'll be using it in our next videos. So here you can see there is a button that is called ARES. Let me zoom it. So you can see it has ARES label. So in the earlier version of Proteus we had this button, and when we'll be dealing with the latest versions, we'll see how to convert the schematic capture to ARES. So stay with us and please subscribe.